Hi friends, welcome to Aims Today YouTube channel. You are watching NEET Foundation Biology Habitat. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting phenomenon, interdependence, and another important phenomenon, habitat destruction. Interdependence of plants and animals. The phenomenon in which plants depend on animals and animals depends on plants is called interdependence. We are aware of fact that human beings depend upon plants and animals for food and other requisites of life. In the same manner, plants and animals also depend on each other. They do so in many ways. Some animals eat grass and green leaves of plants. They are called herbivores. Many animals also eat grains and other products of plants. Herbivorous animals. The human beings depend on both plants and animals for food, and even human beings breathe in air containing the oxygen produced by plants. The interdependence between the plants and animals. Here the pictures, some examples are given. Hummingbird and honeybee. Bees and hummingbirds depend upon flowers for the nectar. Flowers depend upon bees and hummingbirds to carry pollen from one flower to another. It's called cross-pollination. This is a good example for interdependence. There are so many examples are there which shows this interdependence phenomenon. Interdependence of plants and animals. Like human beings, all the animals adopt this process of taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. So, green plants take in carbon dioxide from the air. This carbon dioxide is used in preparing the food for the plants by the process of photosynthesis. During the process of photosynthesis, they give out oxygen. Animals and plants help each other. Plants and animals depend on each other for a wide variety of things. For protection, the animals prepare nests to reproduce, to lay eggs on the trees. The plants also provide shelter for many animals. Plants provide food for not only other animals, even human beings also. The plants release oxygen during photosynthesis that is observed by the animals in gaseous exchange process. So the gas which is released by the animals during respiration, that is carbon dioxide, is used by the plants during the process of photosynthesis. So in this way, plants and animals depend on each other and they exchange the products. In that way, they maintain the ecological balance. What happens if that ecological balance is disturbed? Habitat destruction is one of the way by which ecological balance is ruptured. It is the process in which natural habitat is rendered unable to support the species present. In this process, the organisms that previously used the site are displaced or destroyed, reducing biodiversity. Habitat destruction by human activity is the main cause, particularly for the purpose of harvesting natural resources for industrial production and urbanization process. This process involves the destruction of trees or deforestation. Other important causes of habitat destruction include mining, logging, trawling, and urban sprawl. The habitat destruction is currently ranked as the primary cause of species extinction worldwide. So this habitat destruction will not only affect the nature, it affects all living organisms present in the nature. It disturbs the ecological balance. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel.